board says, what do you know about the sun, moon, and stars? Now, don't blurt out. Thank you for not blurting out, because guess what we're going to do? We are going to think like a scientist. What do scientists study? What do scientists study? Oh, wait.
What do scientists do?
What do scientists study and what do they do? Nyla, if your hand's up in the air, we shouldn't be blurting out. Okay? Nyla, what do scientists study? The what, honey?
They go around the earth.
They go around the world. That's all they do. They go around the world.
They travel. And they
Melanie.
They work with animals.
They work with animals. What else do they work with? Plants. What else do they work with? Why do they work with people, Yar? To be a partner. Why do they need to be a partner? Remember, look at our nature of science. What do scientists do? They do what to each other? They talk. They ask questions. And they
use their observation. Their eyes.
Stop, you guys. Enough. Stop blurting out. Because this is not working. Rule number 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. Rule number 2 is raise your hand for permission to speak. We know this. Princess, what do we use? What do scientists use?
Their observations.
Their observations. Our observations include 5 things. What 5 things do they include? Jakira. Tastes. Smells. Ajed. Touching. Ansel. Looking. And what else, Muhammad Ali? We already said tasting. Which other ones do we do, Melanie? We already said touching. We already said smelling. What you guys should be doing right now is listening. But I know it's Friday, it's the end of the day, and you guys are all excited. And we're going to do more science, and I know you guys like science. So, today, you are going to think like a scientist, and you are going to tell me all you think you know about the sun, the moon, and the stars. You are doing this by yourself at your desk. The thing that you have at your desk looks like this. It's a chart. It says the sun, it says the moon, and it says the stars. Yar, sit on your bottom, please. Sit on your bottom, please. Thank you. Okay, so you need to tell me everything you know about the sun, the moon, and the stars. And then you need to think like a scientist. Scientist asks questions. You need to think about the questions that you have about the sun, the moon, and the stars. Because then I will tell you our learning target. I'm not going to tell you our learning target quite yet because I don't want you to give away the answers to see if someone else may not already know the answer. Okay? So quietly transition at a level
0
to your desk. Why were you over there when your chair is right here? No. Yar can take care of herself. Hey, remember, no, we are not getting that out. That is not what we need. This is not our job. Thank you. Go get one. Where are they at? Do your job. No, well, that's not your business. Okay, so on this chart, you need to tell me everything you know about the sun. Everything you know about the moon. Yes, you may. Go ahead. And everything you know about the stars. You can write a sentence or you can just write, you can make a list of things. You don't have to write a complete sentence. You can tell me, so what am I going to use? What questions am I going to use? What it is, what it does it do? Tell me everything you know about the sun, the moon, and the stars. You should be writing. If you don't think you know anything, then I guess don't write anything down, but I would accept something, anything. Tell me what you think you know. How come you have not figured out where your paper is at? It's right there. Oh, good job. Very good. Ooh. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by the word that you have right there on the moon? What do you mean by the shape? Explain that to me, please. Why did you write the word shape right there?
Because it's Webb.
So what do you mean by that?
There's a moon.
Whoa. What do you know about the shape of the moon? That's what you need to tell me about. Can you do that?
Shape of the moon.
But what about it? Explain what you mean by that. I don't know what you mean by what shape. Are you telling me the moon? I can't really talk for you, but what do you mean by shape? Good job, Kinde. Keep going. Do your own, honey. Do your best that you can. Do your own. Remember, this is something new that we're talking about, so I need to know what you know and not what you think your friend knows. I know. I know you need to sit up in your chair, please. How do you spell what? Say it again for me. I didn't hear you all the way. Inside. S-I-D-E. You were right. Inside. S-I-D-E is one word. Inside is one word. Can I see what you put on for the moon? What did you put for the moon?
I know the moon is yellow.
Okay, good. All right. Ooh, I like that, Miranda. Huh. You're done?
I know that stars are weird shapes. I know the moon has can be shapes. Yellow and orange. I know that the sun is hot.
Very good.
The sun is not always yellow because when it's sunset, it's pink. Like the sun can be like orange.
Okay, that's a good idea. So write that down. That's fine. Write it down. I like how you use that word sunset. That is a good word. Quickly, you have about 3 minutes left. Remember, you're working alone. You're not working with a scientist partner. Thinking about questions that a scientist would ask about the Earth, the sun, the moon, the stars. You need to give this back to Veronica because it's not yours. This has your name on it. This one is yours, so you need to be doing that one, please. Are you writing down? What'd you say? Okay, good. Can you write a little bit smaller so we can fit some more information in there? It's okay. Don't erase it now. I want you to be able to write as much as you can in there. What did you write, Gabriel? Good. Okay. All right. Kyra, sit down, please, on your bottom and fill out your chart, please. Mr. Mario, if you're on that red mat, what should you be doing? Thank you. Thinking about making better choices, please, so we can get to the green mat to get back to learning. Kyra, what's your job?
I'm looking at this.
Why?
So I can write it.
Ah, okay. Okay, good. Circle. What do you think it is? You don't know what to write for the moon? That's okay if you don't know what to write for the moon. It's okay. Remember, it's about what you think you know and what you already know, and then we can learn about it as we talk about it.
The moon is dark.
Okay, write it. That's okay. Write it. This tells me how much you guys know and what you already know so far, okay? It's okay. What did you write on the sun, buddy? Share that with me.
Half fire, hot, in the middle of the planet, cool.
Ooh, far in the middle of the planet, hot and has fire. Very good. Good information. How do you know that?
Because I bet he'd be reading books.
I bet he does too.
I was watching TV.
Oh, you were watching TV? Were you watching the Discovery Channel again?
No, I was watching Wisecracks.
What was it called?
Wisecracks on PBS Kids.
Oh, PBS Kids. Okay, that's still a good show. Yar. This is not yours. Once again, that is Jakira's. That has her name on it. And this one is yours. Remember, go get your sticker chart and we can fill out your sticker chart if you do your job. Remember, sit on your bottom.
I'm done, Miss Webb.
Oh, good job. What did you write about the moon?
The moon and sun, the moon are beautiful, the moon.
Good. Okay, keep going. You're doing a great job. Wow, Elijah, great job writing. Can you read it to me? What do you know about the sun, the moon, and the stars?
The sun is hot.
Okay.
The sun is bright.
Okay.
The sun helps you be hot.
Okay. Good.
The moon is large.
Okay. Good.
The moon is bright.
Good.
The moon is a shape.
Good.
The stars is little. The stars is a shape. The stars is bright.
Good. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, at this moment. Nope, that's not how we answer that question. Thank you. Good job. I see you have some great information on there. Now, right now, I want you to turn your paper over. And I want you to write down some questions that you have about the sun, the moon, and the stars. If you didn't get enough time to do it now, we can finish it later. But I want you to write down a question that you have about the sun, the moon, and the stars.
I don't have the star yet, so I'm not going to write the star.
That's okay. No, turn it over and just write questions. Remember, what do questions start with? What? Why? How? Which? Because it's not a question word. Question words are up on my board. Where? How? When? Why? What? Which? Now you need to write questions about what you want to know about the sun, the moon, and the stars. Write some questions.
Which?
Yes, which? Something, something, something. Yes, write a question. What do you want to know? Why do you want to know? How do you want to know it works? What? Hey, Elijah, how do you spell why, buddy? Not my, why. Whoa. W what?
8. Y.
Thank you. Change that my to why. That's a question word. Good job, bud. Ah, I like it. What'd you write, bud? Thank you. Instead of my, what did you say?
Why?
Good job, bud. Why?
Why is the sun is hot?
Okay, what do you put at the end of a question? Excellent question. Good. What did you write, babe? Oh, wow, that's a great question. That's going to be an interesting question.